LA native, author, and screenwriter Paul Haddad has been fascinated with freeways.
Yeah, you've got the Arroyo Seco Freeway, the Hollywood Freeway, the Santa Monica, the San Diego.
Long before he could ever drive on one.
It'd be like waiting for a new roller coaster to open or a new ride at Disneyland. I'm like, oh, Simi Valley Freeway, what's that?
He safe keeps old maps like love letters, leafs through a pre-smartphone Thomas Guide map book like a family Bible.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the index in the back.
Paul, a.k.a. Dr. Freeway, is in love with something that makes L.A. L.A.
Freeways are the roadways we love to hate, but we also love them.
Yeah, but no one appreciates them quite like Dr. Freeway.
We're on the Glendale Freeway, the 2 freeway.
Oh, it's his favorite.
So I really like coming around this bend and seeing how the downtown skyline comes into view. It's pretty cool.
Okay, notice how he said the 2 freeway? Paul says that's strictly an LA thing, a holdover from when the city gave the freeways titles, beginning with this one.
We are on the grandmother of all freeways.
Opened in 1939, the Arroyo Seco Parkway, or the 110, is considered the world's first freeway.
They built the freeway more as a country ramble.
Curvy and scenic.
This bridge is great.
Predating the U.S. interstate system, LA's freeways were a model for the entire world. They were going to liberate us.
This is the American dream of freedom on wheels.
We're coming up to the 4 level, also known as the stack. This was the big bang of interchanges.
Hallowed ground. In 1949, it was the world's first ever 4-level interchange.
This was a big deal when they opened it. It was on postcards around the world.
With inscriptions like, dig those freeways, and with people picnicking on the side of the road. Now, who would do that?
I can imagine this is what people probably reacted like this when they first saw the cathedrals of Europe.
The 10 freeway bullies its way right over Hollenbeck Park. It's almost beautiful.
Yeah, except tell that to people who grew up around this freeway, who have asthmatic kids or respiratory problems.
Freeways like here in Boyle Heights were controversial. They tore neighborhoods apart and then showered them with exhaust. No small wonder the proposed Beverly Hills Freeway and many others never left the drawing board. But that's all part of the story, says Paul, the good and the bad.
Like, you can't tell the story of Los Angeles without telling the story of its freeways.
And he told that story.
So my book is Freewaytopia, How Freeways Shaped Los Angeles.
Meanwhile,
and this is an iconic shot right here coming up north on the 405 freeway.
Paul will just enjoy the ride.
This is utopia for me.
Well, at least until he gets to his exit, right?